Okay, so this video, what I want to look at is basically the scenario where you have two files, two separate files, and you want to load them up to use a pivot table from the two of them without necessarily using a VLOOKUP. So we're going to load them to the data model again. So go to Data, get Data from File, let's say from Workbook, and I choose my customer up here, and I click Import. And then I choose this one here. So this one here is actually a sheet. So you normally don't want the sheet. You normally want to kind of go for the table. Formats as the table. And then I click down here and I go load to. And I make sure I say add this data to the data model. So because it does that work for me in the background. And only create connection. And then I click OK. I do the same thing again with my second data set. Data from file, from workbook. And this time what I'm going to choose is my sales. And again, I'm going to, if possible, format your data as a table. And then I click up here, load to. And remember, the same thing. Only create connection, add this data to the data model, and then I click OK. Okay. So again, you can see that it's kind of very similar to what I did in the one about the two data sets in it. Now, once I've got this done, I then go up here to Insert, and I go to Pivot Table, and I go from Data Model. I'm going to put on Existing Worksheet, and I click OK. Okay. Now, when I've got this done, all right, for example, I come over here to this one, and I might say, okay, let's say by my sales amount over here, and from the other one up here, I might, for example, go, let's say by gender, as an example. Okay. Now at this point it comes up and it says relationships between tables may be needed, so it's a good idea to just click on Auto Detect. Okay, and then I click on Close. Right? And if the relationship is not created, you won't be able to actually do it. The same thing is kind of like basically doing a VLOOKUP. Okay. Now, I hope you found this useful. And again, you can kind of do exactly as you would normally. It's exactly the same thing. And you see you have that little golden thing on it. That's if you might think of that as a little gold seal of approval. All right, that's the bits that you need. So I hope you find this useful. Mind yourself. Take care. Bye.